In terms of the construction technology, the client wanted us to experiment with an innovative construction technology such that the on-site construction time would be minimum. I'm Nishant Goyal. I'm an architect and an urban designer. Done my college from Baroda and University College London. I'm representing the Novaq, which is a 40-year-old organization offering expert planning, architecture, interiors, landscape and engineering services. Our client was the Spices Board of India. And the design brief that they gave to us was that they wanted to build a quality evaluation laboratory, which would be the largest and the most state-of-art facility in Asia. So all the spices that are produced and exported from India would be tested at this facility and then allowed to be exported. So the site is actually located in the MIDC industrial area in Mahape, Mumbai. So it's a very industrial setting where we are sort of going to be surrounded by industries. So that's the main approach road, and it's a 2,000 square meter plot, which it's a rectangular plot which is 30 by 67 meters. And the interesting thing in the plot was that it's actually a north-facing road. So the interesting thing was that if you look at the sun path movement, while my front of the building would be shaded, the sun would move from the right to the back and to the left. And since it's a laboratory and it's in an industrial area, we decided to keep a simple rectangular plan. In order to shield the south, we had all the services occupying the south facade and a little bit of the vertical circulation happening on the west. And the north and the east were left to be largely glass surfaces, so that they got a lot of natural light in, whereas we were shielding the south and the west. The design concept was that we will do a simple cuboid, but then we will wrap a very dynamic skin all around, which would help us shield the building from the harsh sun, as well as create a very interesting form to it, which kind of breaks away from the stereotypes of laboratory buildings being very boring. So what we did was that we got this interesting little skin happening for the building, which sort of covers the cuboid area. We highlighted the entrance by another frame that went in. Then the structure was again highlighted through angular columns in the front. And then my glazing actually covered the front of the building in that manner, and then another set of glazing in this manner. And since it was a north-facing plot, I could actually experiment and have a lot of glass in my frontage. When we move into the interior spaces, we've got a lot of whites because it's a lab and it's a testing facility. So we've got a lot of whites and glass again. So in the interior palette, it's essentially whites, glass and black. So personally, I think this project was very fulfilling, and we set out to achieve a very interesting laboratory building which people would feel very happy and joyful to work in. We are very happy to achieve a very good quality control laboratory which India is proud of, the Spices Board of India is proud of, since it's the best and the most state-of-art facility in Asia for testing spices.